In the world of data, mysteries abound, and it's up to us to solve them. Welcome to Detectives. My name is Jason Richards, Microsoft Technical Trainer and Data Detective, and welcome to implementing a data lakehouse analytics solution with Azure Databricks. Before we start unlocking clues and solving analytics mysteries, it's probably a good idea to take care of some housekeeping items. Let's begin. This course is designed for data engineers and analysts who want to harness the power of Apache Spark and Azure Databricks to run large-scale data engineering workloads in the cloud. It's ideal for professionals looking to perform data analysis, manage data with Delta Lake, build real-time data pipelines with Delta Live Tables, and deploy complex data processing workflows. Whether you're new to Azure Databricks or looking to deepen your expertise, this course provides the skills and knowledge needed to effectively process, analyze, and visualize data at scale. Before taking this course, it's recommended that participants have a basic understanding of data engineering concepts and experience with data analysis. Familiarity with SQL and Python will be beneficial, as these languages are commonly used in Azure Databricks. Additionally, having some knowledge of cloud computing and services, particularly Microsoft Azure, will help you grasp the concepts more quickly. While the course is designed to be accessible, these prerequisites will ensure you can fully engage with the material and apply the skills effectively. In this course, you'll explore a range of topics designed to equip you with the skills needed to leverage Azure Databricks for data analytics. We'll start by introducing Azure Databricks and its capabilities, followed by performing data analysis using various ingestion methods and collaborative notebooks. You'll dive into Apache Spark within Azure Databricks to transform, analyze, and visualize data at scale. Managing data with Delta Lake will be a key focus, covering ACID transactions, schema enforcement, and time travel. Building real-time, scalable data pipelines with Delta Live Tables will be another crucial topic, along with deploying SQL native warehouses and creating dynamic dashboards. Each topic will include a demo to better understand the concepts. Before you start this journey, I'm going to share a couple of tips to get you set up for success when combining this video series with online learning. First, you should have a personal Microsoft account associated with Microsoft Learn. Having this association allows you to track progress, gain experience points, and create custom collections of Learn documentation. If you plan on earning any certifications, this is a necessary step, as Microsoft Learn is the administrator of your transcript, including certifications and credentials. Once you have a personal email associated with a Learn profile, you can associate additional emails like a work email. You can set up or check an existing Microsoft account at aka.ms/Microsoft account. Secondly, if you plan on performing the exercises contained in the online course content, be aware that you will need an Azure subscription in which you have administrator access, and that you understand there's going to be costs associated for completing these exercises. There is an option to deploy a trial workspace pricing tier that will provide free Azure Databricks compute for 14 days. This, however, does not include premium workspace features, and only single no compute options are allowed, so some exercises may not be able to be completed using the trial. We really hope you have a great experience in this series, and your perspective is always welcome. Thanks for joining.